Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I welcome all of you with another lesson of fraction walls. Well, it's just to remind you that we are studying fraction walls from Cambridge Primary Mathematics, and we have completed question 1 to 7 that are on page number 95. So today we are going to start from question number 8, and if you look at question number 8, it is on your screen. That is, what is 1 over 4 of 12? Or you can also say, what is 1 quarter of 12? So you have to find out that what will be the 1 quarter of 12. So what is the procedure of that? How you will do it? First, you have to multiply this whole fraction to 12. So you will multiply 1/4 and 12. And notice one thing, that you can also say 1 quarter and you can also say 1/4, because whenever you divide one thing into 4 parts, so it is quarter also, and you can also say 1/4. So that's why I write on the first bullet 1 quarter and the second bullet 1/4. So when you multiply 1/4 by 12, so it look like that. So I'm not multiplying 12 by numerator and denominator both. You don't mix it up with the last video tutorial. This is asking what is 1 quarter of 12. That means it is going to be 12 is going to divide it into 4 equal parts, right? So I'm just going to multiply it the whole 1 over 4 by 12. So because 12 doesn't have any denominator, in their denominator there is 1. So I'm going to just multiply 1 by 12. So 4 is multiplying by 1 and there is no 1. We cannot see any 1, so we don't need to write. But we know when there is no number in the fraction, so there is 1. So 1 is multiplying by 12 and the denominator we write same as. So 1 into 12, 12, and 4 we write same as 4. So when it is 12 divided by 4, so what you need to do, that means 12 is divided by 4, so you can go for division, or you can check the 4 table. How many times you need to read the table of 4 in order to get 12. So I'm just reading a table for you. 4 multiplied by 1 gives you 4, 4 to 8, and 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Yes, so 3 is the answer. So you can say 3 is 1 quarter of 12. 3 is 1 quarter of 12. Let's move to the next question. The next question is question 9, that is asking what is 1/3 of 15. So you need to do same things. What you will do first, you will multiply 1/3 by 15. So you are asked 1/3 of 15. For that you are multiplying 1/3 and 15. So look at the third bullet, in which I multiplied 1 by 3 by 15. And as I told you that whenever a fraction is multiplying by a number, so number will always be multiplied by its numerator, because when a number is written alone without any denominator, that means there is 1 in their denominator, right? So 1 multiplied by 15 will give you 15, and 3 you will write same. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. So now 15 divided by 3. Can you check out the table of 3 to get 15? So I'm just writing a table for you. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3, 3, 9. 3, 4, 12. And 3, 5, 15. So yes, 5 is the answer. And you can also say 5 is 1/3 of 15. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is asking what is 3/4 of 8. The same procedure you are following. What is 3/4 of 8? For that you need 3/4 of 8, you can also say. And what you need to do, you need to do same things. You need to multiply this 3/4 by 8, and when you multiply 3/4 by 8, So 3 will multiply by 8 will give you 24, and 4 you write same. So now you have to divide 24 by 4. So check out the table of 4. How many times you need to read out the table of 4 in order to get 24? So 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16, 4 5 20, and yes, 4 multiplied by 6 will give you 24. So you can say that 6 is 3/4 of 8, right? Move to the next question. Question 11 is asking, what is 6/10 of 20? What is 6/10 of 20? So you are asked by a writer 6/10 of the 20. Can you find it? The same thing you will follow. What you need to do? You multiply 6/10 by 20, right? But you remember, you are not going to multiply the whole by 20 by numerator and denominator too. You are going to multiply the whole fraction by 20. That's mean you will multiply 6 by 20, because when 20 is written alone, that's mean there is a fraction and you have denominator 1, right? So always whenever you multiply the whole fraction with a single number, so that's mean you have to multiply that number to a numerator. So 6 multiplied by 20, how you will multiply? It is very easy. 6, you just multiply 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is equals to 12, and because in multiplication there is only 1 0, write 1 0 here. So 620 equals to 120. 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12, and there is 1 0 in 20, so I write 1 0. So it is 120. Now you can also divide. You can just cancel out both zeros, because the 1 0 is a numerator, on 0 is denominator. You can cancel it out, but if you don't understand, don't need to worry. Just check out the table of 10. How many times you need to read the table of 10 in order to get 120? So 10 1 10, 10 2 20, and 10 5 50, 10 6 60, 10 8 80, 10 9 90, 10 10 100, 10 11 110, and obviously 10 12 you will get 120. So you can say 12 is 6/10 of 20, right? Moving to the next question. The next question we have question number 12, that is asking, what is 5/8 of 40? So you are asked 5/8 of 40, sorry, and what you are going to do here, you are going to multiply 5/8 and 40, and when you multiply it, so you will have something like this: 5 multiplied by 40 divided by 8. So just multiply 5 into 4, 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, and 5 4 20. So 5 4 20, so I write 20 here, and there was 1 0 in 40, so I put this 0 next to 20, so it's 200. It's very easy, or you can multiply, you can do the simple multiplication also by writing 40 and then 5 and then 5 into 0 and so on. So now it's 200 divided by 8. So for that you can do division. You can just put 200 in the box, in the division box, and 8 outside the division box, and check the table of 8. 20, first check out the only two numbers. For 20, this 20 comes in the 8 table, or is there any number come in the table of 8 less than 20? So when you read the table of 8, so it will be 8 1 8, 8 2 16, and 8 3 24. So 8 3 is 24, 24 is bigger than 20, so go for the less than. That's mean 8 2 16. So 8 multiplied by 2 16, you write below 20, and then you will subtract it by 20 by 16, and you will get 4. Put the last 0, it will become 40, and then check again in the table of 8 how many times you need to read the table of 8 in order to get 40. So 8 into 540. So the answer will be 25. 8 2 is 16, and then 8 5 is 40. So 25 is 5/8 of 40. You can just do the division in your notebook anywhere. If you have any problem, so you can ask me, no problem. I will explain this also, and I will share some answer sheets, so that will help you also how to write these questions in your notebook. Question number 13 is very easy. What is 24 divided by 3? So you just have to divide. Check out the table of 3. Table of 3, you just go 3 1 3 3 2 6 3 3 9 3 4 12 3 5 15 3 6 18, and then 21 and 3 into 8, you will get 24. So you need to read up to 8 times to get 24, right? And then the answer is 8. Now question number 14. And question number 14 is also very easy. What is 9 divided by 3? Obviously, and check out the table of 3. How many times you need to read the table of 3 in order to get 9? So you will read the table of 3, and 3 1 3 3 2 6 and 3 3 9. So you will read up to 3 times to get 9, and the answer will be 3. So today we completed a lot of questions, and I hope these are very easy for you. If you have any problem, so you can go to my previous lectures in the channel, and you can check these other video tutorials, and we have discussed the fraction basics also. So for today, thank you so much, and inshallah I'll meet you in the next video, and we will start from question number 15. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice day.